Alright, so we are live. Welcome back. Welcome back to another session. Alright, so I've seen something interesting on GJ. Right now we are in a bearish. Wait a second. I want to see. Oh, I want to see GJ. Alright. So yeah, at that point right here on GJ on 4 hour, we just break below this low right there. This is a very good pattern for sales, so I think I'll keep this over the weekend with 43 pips. Yeah, selling at that point right there, having actually a very good stop right here. This is like a long-term sell right now. I have around 45 pips up. Well, it's kind of interesting right here. The TP is this that I discussed yesterday, the I don't know, the analyze. We just break it down, break down the analyze right there. So yeah, the TP is right here at 200 pips. Yeah, let me adjust the TP and the stop. All right. Yeah, of course. Okay, let's modify this order. Okay. So yeah, at that point, let's see where the entry is. It's around 152, 556. Somewhere here, I think. Alright, and the stops, well, I placed the stop around here at 870, higher, up over here. Yeah, because if this low right here it's about to be taken, like I think that there's no chances for this candle to stay bearish. Also on the weekly time frame, we have this huge rejection on the upside and the clean traffic to the downside for the next week. But yeah, probably if we are about to, if you're about to flip bullish, probably I should be careful right here, because there is pretty interesting thing. Like I can make the stop loss very small, like I can put it right over here, because I don't want this weekly time frame to start to turn bullish. So I want it to be as down as possible. So yeah, at that point I think, yeah, probably right there the stop is pretty good. But 740 right there. So let's take a look. 740. I try just to manage the risk the best I can. Like the whole idea is to have the best entry possible, and then just leave it and let it go. At that point on GJ, for scalp, we see this resistance, which is breaking on the downside. Now we flip bullish, and when we break this again, we have a clear traffic of 13 pips with a small stop of 4 pips, kind of small, 4 or 5 pips of this beginning of the 4 hour is bearish, 3 minutes is bearish. Yeah, cool. Actually, we got some good points right there. Okay, you know what? Let's see, we have around, yeah, very good. Okay, so I'll take another entry right here with a small stop for scalping. So let's just hide this right there. Okay, let's hide it. Okay, and right now the my position is right over here, where after the break of the low on the after the break of this 50-minute candle, and the stops are pretty much here at 4 pips. Okay, and take profit will be probably at 10 pips. Alright, I'm not in this position yet because I need a break below this again, and after this, okay, it just touched. Okay, let's put a stop right here. Okay, yeah, I risked like 1% of on this position. I don't know if I can manage this, but I expect a good drop until this area right there, because as you can see we have clean area, and yeah, I think it's a very good. Also, it's so risky because if I want to cut some percentages of the position, I can't, because I don't have any. Okay, 5 minutes just starting. I don't have any ways to see where I can cut. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much. But I'm also looking just for 10 pips, so just for 10 pips there. This is what I want to see. 10 pips on GJ. Alright, so now let's take a look on gold. So, alright, let's see. Okay, so gold, let's analyze it again. Alright, so let's go on the weekly time frame. Alright, so we know that yesterday we talking about this area right here, this area of rejection lower time frame, that we have two ranges areas, and alright, at that point we're moving bullish on the weekly. Let's delete all the analyze there. Oh, GJ is dropping, man. GJ is really dropping right there. GJ is really dropping. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. 4 hour, 1 hour also is dropping. Everything is dropping on GJ right now. Yeah, we have to wait. We have to wait at that point right now. We kind of have clean movements on it, but yeah, not a big deal. Well, at that point right there, I can move the stops at a break even because we are already in profits a lot, but I kind of wanna wait for this to do something. Okay, let's take a look there. We have around 3 pips. I'm 3 pips in profit. What the fuck? This right here is just 3 pips, bro. 4 pips. Nope. Well, I think I have the wrong entry right there, right? Let's take a look. Alright, yep, was a wrong entry. Alright, it's lower like there. Right now I have around 4 pips. Yeah, around 4 pips profits right now. And with the first position, the long-term position, I'm around almost 5 pips anyway. Okay, so let's analyze gold again. So we We know that we are so bullish on the weekly time frame right here, and the target for the weekly is this candle right here. Okay, so this is the first target. This is what we see right now. We have these areas of rejection, and what we can see is in the left hand side right here we have these wicks. So at that point we are coming to an area where there are many rejections, and also what we know is that we have many clear traffics to the downside. Okay, so we have this traffic right here, this traffic right here, this traffic right here, and this traffic right here. So we have many candles, many full candles, but we also have to pay attention because it's an area of indecision right here, because we have many rejections in the past. So we have to be careful. Okay, let's drop to the daily and see that daily formed kind of a lower low for to continue moving up, but we see yesterday we don't take this high. So right now we struggling to move up. We're struggling to move up, even that we have, even the case we have these clean candles right there. So this is kind of difficult. Okay, we have to be prepared for a drop, for a retest at the best area, and the best area that we discussed today was that one. This rejection area, we struggle many times to break this. In the past we break it with no we break it easy, but right now seems like the market want to move down to grab some liquidity for to continue moving up. And this is pretty good. This is pretty good because we can take buys from a very good area in the market. So let's mark this with an horizontal line and name it, let's take a look right here, resistance support. Or now let's go for a key level. This is a key level in the market. Okay, we have a key level in the market. All right, so this is a key level. This is where we want to come to catch the to grab the wave, to come with the institutions and to continue with them up here. Okay, up here to our targets. All right, let's drop on a 4-hour. Well, 4-hour, we can easily see that we struggle to break it up, but also we can see this rejection down here where it grabs some liquidity for to continue moving up, and we discussed it as well yesterday, because we are talking that this right here is a very good area of action, where the institution takes action in the market. So if you are taking a look there, we can easily see that on 4-hour we just touch this bottom of the candles and then just push it up. So right now we have to see where these institutions want to drive the price, because actually in an uptrend we can see we have we have an uptrend, right? We have this uptrend right here. So now we know that the market is formed by higher high, lower high. No, sorry. So this right here is the lower low. Okay. Now there it's higher high, higher low. Probably right here in this area is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and there is the problem right here, because we can easily see that we don't break the last higher high. Okay, oops, sorry, stop this. Good. So we don't break this higher high, right? this is a higher high on the lower time frame. Let's drop on 30-minute candle. Okay, what we see this week right here, what we got, we don't break it. So many times when we don't break this kind of structure, we seems to move more down than up. But what we need for to continue moving down is to break this structure, okay? Because as you can see, we come to that level. Let me put it again. Okay, right here. So we come to that level and then rejected it. So what we need right now to continue moving down and probably to reach this level right here, this level right here, and even more, this level, no, sorry. Yeah, this is the last uptrend right there. But all we want to see, it's a breaking of the structure right here, okay? We need to break the structure to continue on long term, to continue moving down, and probably to reach some level in the market where the institutions find support to move price back up. All right, so at that point right here on gold, we struggle to continue moving up, but we also struggle to break this resistance right here. Okay, let's put a mark right there at 80.44. Right, 80.44, and let's name it. All right, let's put it like resistance support, because we have resistance for let me check, for these candles right there, and support for many candles in the market, like where we are as well. Okay, so in my opinion right now we are in a ranging market between 80.68 and 80.44. Yeah, and GJ drops again. Okay, we just break the 30-minute candle right here, 30 minutes low. Let me check it. Okay, the targets of 10 pips, it's almost, we almost got it right there. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, we break this 15-minute candle low, we made a low, and now just breaking it. All right, as well on GJ we have a candle like a support right here, and we need also to break this support. And if this is a very strong support in the past, we don't know, but if this is a very strong support, we have to break it very aggressive and then retest it for the continuation on the higher time frames, the continuation that we were talking about earlier. Okay, because this is the last low right here, this is the last low. We are in this position, well, not so early, not so lately, but I don't know, it's kind of struggling to continue moving down. And now I see why, because right here, okay, right here we have the bottom. We have the bottom of the candles, right? So we don't close. Let me check if we are closing below it. No, we don't. We don't close below it. Okay, so this rejection right here, I we can easily see it. Okay, I didn't take a look on the 4-hour there, but there's not a problem. This can be our let's just say our formation on the lower time frame, even lower than 50 minutes, to make a high, but we don't know. Probably now we can come back up there. So what I'm gonna do is to cut 50% of the position of the first position right here, and to cut it at a break even. Once we come at the break even, okay. So I just take risk out of the table, which is very good. This is all about, this is trading about to lose less than you are making, okay? I mean, than you want to lose in the first place, okay? So let's just say you want to lose 10 euros, okay? If you lost, let's say, I don't know, 5 euros on the trade, you're good. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting for this break even to be taken. In the case we are not taking this break even, I'm alright and I'm going to leave the wall position running. We don't touch. I mean, I was very close to get the profit target right here to reach it, but well, I didn't watch the. It was around 9 pips, but I didn't watch the charts because we analyzed the goal. But it's okay. It's pretty good. Yeah, the 5 minutes seems like it's about to close very strong bullish, or not, or yep, or what the fuck is this? Yeah, man, we have like so much volume in the market, and okay, so yeah, we pretty much close like start to close so aggressively. Um, let's see if I can even cut more percentage of the position. Let's see where this is about to go. Okay, we break above it. Let's cut again, 50%. And we have to wait right now. Yeah, what's up? So you say you sell GJ in 152.831. Let me take a look. So you said you sell GJ 152.831. Oh my god, man. So good. Nice. Nice entry though. Uh, very good entry, 832. But why do you ask me? Like, do you sell it or you wanna sell there? Like, it's pretty good for you because you sell there. But right now, I don't know. I don't know what to say. You want to wait for a retest and then to sell? Yeah, probably it works, but you also have to wait, okay? But if you sell it already, it's pretty good for you. So good. All right, so GG is about to hit my stop right here. But I already cut the percentage of the position many times, like 2 times. So first half was taken right here at the break even, so I lost almost nothing. And the second half was right over here at minus, let's just say minus 1 pip. And right now the stop it's is taken. So yeah, this is pretty good. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's say, all right. So for this trade, I've risked around 1%. Okay, 1%, I don't know, almost 1.3%. Okay, so at the end of the trade, I just lost. Wait, let me go for it to tell you. All right, so I've lost around 0.5%. So this is a loss, 0.5% for this trade right here. This is so cool. Okay, so I can take it for like I can say that we won it. Okay, I won this trade because I lost less than I planned to. Also, we have to wait. I'm going to give another chance for this trade because in 20 minutes we have news on US dollar. So the market will be so volatile. So yeah, at that point I'm down 0.5%, which is damn good. And I'm also waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. All right, gold start to drop, gold goes up, gold goes down. Yeah, I strongly believe that this gold is in a ranging market at that point and can't do anything about it, but probably for the short term right here we are near this resistance. So for sales to 80 down to 80.46 we have to break below this area and close below this area. All right, so let's take a look. Yeah, probably this is the best thing right here to close below it. Also 1 hour is about to close in 20 minutes, 30 minutes about to close, 30 minutes. It's like the the 7 p.m. is about to start, and yeah, but yeah, probably good shorts after, I mean below the 80.55.20 down there. Good short, but in my opinion we are ranging at that point. We're coming back up at a break even right here. Okay, pip stops. Well, I really want to re-enter in this trade right now, um, because the 5 minute just made this high, just come up here for to retest it, and right now I think there will be a very good opportunity to sell this market if we are about to break down the 5 minute candle right here. So let's give another chance for this trade to come back down. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. All right, all right, so let's take a look. All right, so we break down, and right now we're coming slowly up. We have to wait for this candle to close, and if we can close in a bearish direction, there will be many chances for us to actually continue moving down. All right. Okay. Okay, we are struggling to close bearish right there. Um, Also, the 15-minute candle is about to close, and it seems like it's about to close bullish, but we have to wait. It depends on this 5-minute candle how it will be the close, because I'm going to cut some percentages out of the trade, because I want this one to close bearish, okay? Because it means that we can drop even more here, okay? All right, we close bearish, but this is a small candle right there. Okay, we're just dropping. It's okay. It's good for us. And we also break this low right here on 5 minutes. And at that point right there, the only thing that we have to keep in mind is that we need to break below this level right there. Okay, so in my opinion, this trade is good. Um, is good for us, but we don't need to break above this 5-minute candle right here where is my stop. We have to come almost near it, but don't break it, okay? Because it also can grab some liquidity. And also on 5-minute we can easily see these levels right there of the candle, so yeah, we can retest it at any time. All right, let's just wait. Okay, then what a push. All right, this one surprised me because I'm watching the gold, and it was like a boom. Okay, okay, so let's wait right now. I was watching gold, and we closed very strong bullish after the coming down there, and it just flip bullish. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's wait the GJ here. Let's wait to see what it's going and where these wanna go. Yeah, to wait. All right, so let's wait for the candles to close, and let's wait for this volume right here at 5 p.m. to hit in. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. We have to wait. Oh, we move so fast. This volume is incredible for real. We move very, very fast. Let's take a look on lower time frames. Yeah, we are bearish on weekly. Okay, with the clean traffic, of course. Let's take a look on daily. Yeah, daily is bullish, but we don't know for how long will be. All right, and 4 hour also it's bearish. Now, if we are institutions, where and what we want to do right now. So the monthly show us that okay, we are bearish. We're going down this month or so far this month. Weekly tell us that bro, I just left my week upside there and now I continue moving down. I have clean traffic on the left hand side. Daily tell us that man, I make my higher high, my lower high, and I continue dropping. I got my low right here, and right now, if we are looking on higher time frames, daily, weekly, monthly, we can see that we want to sell. Okay, but right now the hardest thing in trading is the entry. Okay, we have to put our position in the best way for us to win the trade. So what we wanna, where we wanna entry right now, because we know that we are about to drop, or not about to drop, but we know we are in a bearish market with hard times to break below this level right here. But you also are in a bearish market, right? Well, I think the best opportunity was right there after this taking. This one was taking down, and the TP was right there because my mistake was that I wasn't looking on 4 hour to see like man this bottom of the wicks right there is like very very dangerous area, and yeah, this is something cool that we have learned today to be more careful on higher time frames when we are trading the smaller time frames. And okay, yeah, well, it was a good trade. We just give it another chance right here. I'm stopped. Like I don't want to trade anymore today, um, because I also hit my 2% loss day. Was a pretty good day. Also a pretty good day. But right now I will taking over the rules, and I want to be more disciplined. So more disciplines means that you have to know when to stop. And at that point right here, I know that man, if I'm taking the third trade at that point, maybe it can be a very good trade. Okay, based on the information that we talking about earlier. But the discipline says that once you hit your loss target for the day, just stop, man. There's nobody who tell you when to stop. This is you. You have to know when to stop, and this is the hardest thing to know when to stop. Look at this beautiful candle. Yeah, pretty good. We don't know if we have more volume on the gold on GJ at that time, but let's see if you have watch. My profit target was down there. I mean, is down there. If you are continuing moving down, and yeah, yeah, okay, we continue moving down a bit for like six, okay, more pips then. Okay, very cool, very cool. We start with no top wick. Let's take a look on gold. Right, so gold is straight up. Not so volatile as well. Okay, we also tapped in this right there. Yeah, for how long is this? This is like 10 pips. Interesting, interesting. But you also have to keep in mind that we have no top wick. We don't break below the low right here. Yeah, it's very dangerous. Let's see if we can continue to this level right here. 152 400. Okay, so the first 2 minutes of the start was so bearish, but right now we have to question that we just drop to grab some liquidity for to continue moving up, or we will continue moving down, because there's a chance that we can moving up because we don't break below this support right here, which is very strong. Okay, so right now, and it comes very fast down, it grabs the liquidity, and now we slowly moving up. We don't know for how long we are about to move up, but because as we analyzed the charts earlier, we saw that okay, we have a downtrend and we must continue going down. But today is Friday. It was a good day. Now I'm about to close the stream. We grab a like pretty good move right down there. I don't take the profit there because I don't know, I didn't watch the charts, but these are just excuses. Okay, they're pretty good. Gold, it's moving. Well, it's moving slowly up. It's the final of the week. It's Friday, and we all are exhausted, but we should stay cool, right? So have a good weekend, and we'll see on the Monday with new forces for the market. Have a good